1-1 we are joined by player of the game Calvin Abueva and winning coach Chito Victorero. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
The 32-5 second quarter was the story of the game. From there, coach, you just outplayed Rain or Shine, giving them their worst loss in franchise history. This is also the sixth most lopsided game in PBA history and the second worst in the playoffs. Thank you, Sir Fidel. How would you evaluate the value of new reinforcement Jabari Bird and his positive effect on how the rest of the Hotshots played tonight?
Yeah, first of all, thank you to the Lord Jesus Christ for this W. Big factor. I mean, it's not the numbers, but as told you kanina, Bel, it's all about the aura, the positive aura and the positive vibes of JB. I mean, I told him na ano eh, he just need, ang kailangan lang naman namin talaga is yung contribution on the little things. Defense, rebounding, and the positive energy, which is, I think, nabigay sa amin ni JB on this game. And very, na-appreciate ko lahat yung, lalo na yung local namin. I'm very proud and thankful sa local players namin because hindi sila nag-give up eh. Although we have some problems with the import because we feel that Shabazz is our main guy. He will finish the season for us or the conference for us. But suddenly, yun nga, nagkaroon ng problema na injured. So, we need to rush na magpadating ng import. And it's thankful to Boss Al, to Boss RSA, to the management because they keep on supporting us. Walang kasiguraduhan kung aabot to ng ilang games, but Boss RSA and Boss Al just keep on sending imports to us and give us the hope and the chance, the opportunity to compete ng higher level to rain or shine.
Thank you, Coach. Calvin, now to you mula sa 6 points sa unang laro ng series, double-double ka tonight. Ano ba yung mga naging conscious adjustments mo na ginawa mo, especially in slowing rain or shine down?
Actually, din yung first game, siyempre, papasalamat muna ako kay Lord dahil binigay itong game na ito at hindi pa tapos ito at susunod at susunod, marami pang games na kailangan namin i-adjust. And this the yung momentum nila at saka sa amin, kumbaga galing kami sa unang talo bago pumunta doon sa quarters. And then one time preparation and then kami import, then sa amin local parang di namin alam kung anong decision ni coach at sa amin si Kuya Rapi nagsabi sa amin na kung ano yung ibibigay sa atin tanggapin natin. And then hindi naman all about the import eh. Local rin kailangan natin mag-contribute kasi kung iaasa natin sa import parang gusto natin ibigay natin lahat ng bola sa kanya eh. And then this time na parang yung kulang namin nung last game, eto nakuha namin as na-double pa namin yung nga yung rebound and Jabari sa a big help to us na dun sa rebounds and yun nga yung quickness niya and yung focus niya kahit na kagabi lang siya naging sayo and yung rhythm niya nandoon. Kaya siguro ang ganda rin ng aura niya sa amin kaya yung positive vibes namin nadala namin ngayon.
We're now opening the floor to the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you. Actually, ngayon nga lang na-meet ng mga key players si JB. Kasi kagabi nung dumating siya, the third group yung nag-practice. It's hard for JB to adjust right away, but I told him to not pressure himself. Kasi ang kailangan talaga lang namin sa kanya is yung a little help from everything, which is very big factor for us. He got 13 rebounds and he played defense, good defense. I think may lalabas pa yan. Sakali lang maging komportable pa siya doon sa mga kasamahan niya. And ang importante lang talaga sa amin is very humble. I mean, he played in the NBA, but he's very humble.
Coach, sa lahat ng listang mga suggestions na pwede nyo palitan siya, ba't si Jabari yung
I think he's the best available talent na nasa Asia. Yun yung factor. I mean, I try to find an import na nandito sa Asia ngayon because we don't want to send an import na nandun pa sa US and then it's late na. I mean, he will be arrive here by Saturday and then a lot of things that he need to do. So, yun yung factor na nandito siya sa Asia plus the fact na available siya. So, hulog ng langit din. Dahil wala eh. I mean, after nung game 1, on that night, me and the management, Boss Al, told me na if you can find an import na mas makakatulong sa atin. So, yun. I mean, siya yung available na meron chance na matulungan kami. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung papakita niya ngayon because we're relying on the agent and on the highlights. But good thing, ang talagang pinag-aralan ko lang is how he play and then what is the character, and I talked to him on that yun nga, after nung game 1 I talked to him doon sa phone in some interviews, and then yun, ang nakita ko lang is yung character niya medyo maayos. So yun, nag-decide ako na kuhanin siya.
Coach, yung kasi one of the weapons of Raynor Shine is yung running game nila, and tonight ata parang napigilan nyo. Even nung first game kasi parang at least nakakasabay kayo. Do you think yun yung magiging formula to beat Raynor Shine in this series?
I mean, Rain or Shine is the best running team right now. I mean, di natin credit to Coach Sheng and the whole coaching staff for doing that. I mean, they are number 1 team. They scored more than 100 points per every game. We just rely on our defense, which is we think it's our strength identity. Yun yung importante sa amin na this is a defensive game that allow us to test our transition defense. So, but on the game 1, they killed us on the boards. That's why we lost the game 1, paint and board. So, yun, good thing we adjust. My players adjust to that, and we have some minor adjustment on our defensive plan. And nag-click naman. And I know they will come hard on Sunday. I mean, they will. This is all. You win by 1 or you win by 20 or 30 or 40 points. Nothing. It's only a 1 win, and we need to win another 2. And then the only thing na maganda lang dito is we're tied, and then it boils down to a best of 3. So yun lang yung reward, but wala naman kaming nakuhang advantage doon.
Well, that wraps it up. Thank you so much.